Hello amazing teachers and future teachers. The holiday season is here and I've got the ultimate Christmas game to energize your ESL class and bring some festive fun. Get ready for Santa Shootout. This fast-paced, hilarious game will have your students on their feet laughing and practicing their English in the most joyful way. Plus, it's super easy to set up. So, how to play Santa Shootout? Step 1. Prepare a Santa sack. Start by filling a sack with Christmas-themed items. Think candy canes, ornaments, Santa hats, or even mini stockings. The more festive, the better. Step 2. Divide your teams. Divide your class into 2 lines and give each student a festive team name. For example, Team Reindeer and Team Snowflake. Let the Christmas spirit shine through. Step 3. The shootout begins. Back-to-back setup. Have one student from each team stand back-to-back in the middle of the room. Pass the items. Secretly hand them each a Christmas object from the sack. The trick is, they can't see what the other person is holding. They count down. The class counts together. 1. The students take 1 step forward. 2. Another step forward. And on 3, they spin around, look at the item the other person is holding, and shout its name as fast as they can. Scoring. The first student to correctly name the other person's object wins a point for their team. Step 4. Keep the fun rolling. Rotate through the lines so that everyone gets a turn. The team with the most points at the end wins and maybe gets a little holiday treat. And that's Santa Shootout. This game is perfect for practicing vocabulary, building confidence, and just having a blast with your ESL class. Which Christmas object would you add to the sack? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a fellow teacher. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas to you and yours, and see you in the next video. Adrian Rogers from the Teacher Trainers signing out.